Have you ever wondered about the mechanics behind AI responses? What is prompt engineering and why is it important? Well, today, we're going to dive into that very topic. Imagine you're having a conversation with an AI, you ask it a question and it provides an answer. But what determines the quality and relevance of that answer? That's where prompt engineering comes into play. Prompt engineering is a fascinating aspect of artificial intelligence. It's the process of enhancing the output of large language models like ChatGPT. What does this mean? Well, in simple terms, it's about carefully crafting input prompts to provide context and the desired output to the language model. Think of it as a guide, helping the AI to better understand what's being asked of it. The better the prompt, the better the AI's response. It's a bit like when you're asking someone for directions. The clearer and more specific your question, the more helpful the answer will be. But why is prompt engineering important? Just like our directions example, the quality of the AI's response is crucial. Whether you're asking your AI to summarize a block of text, translate a sentence, provide updated information, generate content, answer a question, or make a recommendation, the way you phrase your prompt can significantly impact the results. And it's not just about getting a coherent response. Prompt engineering is essential for making AI systems work effectively in specific domains. For instance, in medicine, a well-crafted prompt can help an AI provide accurate medical advice. Or in the realm of personalized recommendations, it can help the AI better understand a user's preferences. So, in essence, prompt engineering is the key to optimizing AI responses. It's the art of asking the right questions in the right way to get the best possible answers from our AI counterparts. And as AI continues to evolve and become an integral part of our lives, the importance of prompt engineering will only grow. And with that, we've just scratched the surface of what prompt engineering is all about. Stay tuned as we delve deeper into this intriguing field in the next scenes. Diving deeper, how does prompt engineering work in practice? Picture this, you're at a party, and you meet someone new. You don't start the conversation with an abstract question or a random statement, right? Instead, you provide some context. Maybe you mention the party, talk about mutual friends, or discuss the food. This approach helps steer the conversation in a certain direction. The same logic applies to prompt engineering. It's all about crafting a conversation with a language model, much like with a human. But instead of discussing party snacks or mutual friends, we're providing the AI with a context and a clear direction. In essence, prompt engineering involves carefully designing input prompts to guide the output of large language models like ChatGPT. These prompts are not arbitrary, they're meticulously crafted to provide the AI with a context and a desired output. Let's break this down a bit. The input prompt is the information that we feed into the AI. It's like the opening line of our conversation at that party. It sets the stage and gives the AI an understanding of the topic at hand. The context is the additional information that helps the AI understand the nuances of the input prompt. It's like telling the AI where we're coming from and what we're looking for. The desired output is the result we want from the AI. It's like the answer to a question or the response to a statement in our conversation. By carefully designing these elements, we can guide the AI to produce results that are more accurate, relevant, and nuanced. It's like steering a conversation in a desired direction, ensuring that the AI understands our intent and responds in a meaningful way. Prompt engineering, therefore, is about mastering the art of conversation with AI. You might be wondering, where is prompt engineering used? Well, let me tell you, it's used in plenty of places and in numerous ways, much more than you might initially think. Let's start with the basics, like summarizing text. Imagine you have a lengthy document or article that you need to condense into a few succinct sentences. That's where prompt engineering comes in. By crafting a specific input prompt to a language model, you can generate a brief, accurate summary without having to wade through pages of information yourself. Then, there's translation. Language barriers can be a major hurdle in today's global society. With prompt engineering, we can guide language models to accurately translate text from one language to another, helping to bridge the gap between different cultures and communities. Moving on, prompt engineering can be used to provide updated information. Think of it as a way to keep your AI model in the loop with the latest data or developments. You can use it to update databases, keep track of rapidly changing information, or even to provide real-time updates in response to queries. Next up, content generation. Whether you're looking to create blog posts, social media content, or even write a novel, prompt engineering can help. By specifying your requirements in the prompt, you can guide the AI to produce creative, engaging, and original content. What about question answering systems? Yes, prompt engineering is crucial there too. It can be used to guide AI models to provide accurate and relevant answers to a wide range of questions, from straightforward factual queries to complex multi-part questions. Lastly, let's talk about recommendation systems. Whether it's suggesting a movie to watch, a book to read, or a product to buy, prompt engineering can help fine-tune these recommendations to make them more personalized and relevant. So, as you can see, from translation to content generation, prompt engineering finds its application in diverse domains. It truly is a versatile tool in the world of AI. Can prompt engineering be specialized for specific domains? Now that's a question that gets to the heart of why this field is so pivotal in the world of AI. You see, the power of prompt engineering extends beyond just improving the output of language models. It's also about refining AI responses for specific domains, making it a crucial tool in creating effective AI systems. Imagine this: we're in the field of medicine where accuracy is paramount. In such a critical domain, we can't afford to have a language model providing generic or irrelevant responses. This is where specialized prompt engineering comes into play. By fine-tuning the prompts, we can guide the AI to produce responses that are not only relevant but also hold up to the rigorous standards of the medical field. Similarly, consider personalized recommendations, a domain where understanding user preferences is key. By crafting prompts that provide the AI with context about a user's likes and dislikes, we can generate recommendations that are tailored to the individual's taste. This fine-tuning of prompts makes the AI system more effective and user-friendly. But remember, specialization in prompt engineering is not a one-size-fits-all process. Each domain has its unique requirements and challenges. The prompts for a medical AI system will be vastly different from those for a recommendation system. This is where the art and science of prompt engineering converge. It's about understanding the nuances of each domain and crafting prompts that can guide the AI to provide the best possible output. So to answer our opening question, yes, prompt engineering can indeed be specialized for specific domains, and it's this specialization that makes it such a powerful tool in the AI toolkit. It's not just about crafting better prompts, it's about making AI systems more effective, more reliable, and more tailored to our needs. So, prompt engineering is not only about crafting prompts but also about customizing AI responses for specific domains. So, what have we learned about prompt engineering? Quite a lot, I dare say. Let's revisit the key points that we've discussed throughout this exploration. We kicked off our journey by understanding that prompt engineering is a method to enhance the output of large language models like ChatGPT. It's much like a sculptor, carefully crafting and shaping input prompts to provide context and guide the language model towards producing the desired output. We then dived into the mechanics of this intriguing process. We learned that the art of prompt engineering involves a delicate balance of providing just enough information without overloading the model, steering it in the right direction while allowing it to flex its creative muscles. We also uncovered the vast applications of prompt engineering. It's not just limited to one domain but paints a broad canvas, from summarizing text and translation to providing updated information, content generation, question answering systems, and even recommendation systems. It's like a Swiss Army knife in the world of AI, versatile and adaptable, ready to tackle a multitude of tasks. And, last but not least, we touched upon the importance of specialization in prompt engineering. Fine-tuning and prompt engineering are crucial for making AI systems work effectively in specific domains, whether it's medical, legal, or personalized recommendations. It's akin to training an athlete for a specific sport, honing the skills needed to excel in that particular field. In conclusion, prompt engineering is a fascinating and vital aspect of working with AI. It's the bridge that connects us humans with the high-powered world of artificial intelligence, enabling us to communicate effectively and harness its immense potential. Thus, understanding prompt engineering is the first step towards harnessing the power of AI in everyday applications.